So I'm about to make breakfast for these kids. And for breakfast, we're just having French toast and maybe some milk. We're gonna see about that milk though, because milk is high. It might get water. So I'm used doing that. And I think that's it. I'm gonna have this for breakfast. Yeah, just this. My gut deserves it. Just that. Okay? I ain't even finna do too much. Some people do them in the air fryer. I need this to be done in like 2 to 3 minutes, so we're putting them in the microwave. And if you hear bumping, they're upstairs. This is just leftover ravioli from last night. One of the kids didn't eat it, but they gonna eat it tonight. Cause we don't waste food around here, period. All right, so while that's warming up, I'm gonna get, I guess some cups so they can get something to drink. Let me get my drink too. This is my favorite currently. I like this brand and this kind of flavor, but I want to try some other ones. I usually do half a cup. I don't like to be drinking this all day. It'd be too much. I just got some strawberries and blueberries out. I'm going to clean them off because I don't want them to spoil. So they're going to have this for breakfast too. Yep, they ready. That's what they're having. This is like a quick warm-up meal for breakfast that I like to do. I always get warm-up stuff because these kids nowadays, they don't eat certain things. So this is just what I do. I kind of even it out. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna dump these in here. Get rid of this. And we're just using this syrup here from Walmart. Nice, quick, and simple. Easy. Never in my life did I do waitressing. Never. Never. I salute to all the waitresses out there, because I couldn't. And that's just what they're eating. Cinnamon, French toast, and strawberries and blueberries for breakfast. They ate it all. Dang. Trash might have to go out today, so we're gonna see about that. This. I'm just gonna drink the rest of this because it's just a little bit. Get all that out. That's my breakfast. I'm gonna go lay down.